Hello everyone, let's do some painting today. So for this one, take the brush and with the different color, print it nicely and make the cute little fishes out of it. Now repeat the process on whole sheet with the different colors and different paint brushes. Now repeat it nicely and gently and then make a border out of it as it is shown in the video. Repeat it nicely and it's almost done. It is great, right? For this one, take the small cardboard and paint some colors on it and start printing it on the sheet with the different color and sizes. Now take the white brush and start making the lines out of it as it is shown in the video. Now cover the prints with the cardboards only and then take a paintbrush and spread some paint all over it. Now start making the cute little stars all over it and it's done. It is looking great though. For the next one, take a sheet and start painting with the help of the paintbrush. Paint the wheel very nicely and then paint it wholly. Now stick some eyes and then with the help of the white paint, start making the teeth as shown in the video. Now draw some grasses all over it with the different green color and then some small fishes all over it and it's all done. So the next one, take a leaf and paste it on the sheet as shown in the video. It will look like this. Keep pasting it and then with the help of the marker, start making the small lines all over the leaves. Do it very nicely as it will look like the cactus and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and make some small rounds with the help of the paintbrush. Now with the help of the marker, start making the lines all over it as it will look like the sun. For the next, draw some dots all over it and then attach the dots and then make the cute sunglasses and the smiley face. And you can draw some boxes all over it and paint it very nicely and then draw the smiley faces all over it. Now repeat the process as it is shown in the video. Make small cute little doodles out of it and it's all done. It is looking great though, right? For the next one in the video, take a sheet, then with the help of your fingers, start pasting the clay all over it in a circular way. Repeat the process all over the sheet as it will look like this. Now with the help of the marker, draw some lines and paste some leaves. Now paste a red colored clay and start making the bug out of it and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and start pasting the leaves out of it and then draw some lines as it will look like a butterfly. Make some lines on it, repeat the process wholly. Now make the cute little grasses with the help of the different color of green. Now repeat the process as it is shown in the video. Draw some dots all over it and make some cute little cloud. For this one, let's make a parrot. For this, you need to draw the beak first and the whole face. Now draw the beak nicely and then draw the eyes as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently as it will start looking like this. Now draw the colors or fill the colors of your choice as you want it to be. Now draw the eyes and fill the colors you want. Let's draw the yellow colors all over it and then make the borders out of it with the help of a red color. Now give some shade of a red or orange colors on the beak. Now fill the colors in the eyes and the beak. Now fill the colors on the branch of it and then make cute little branches or the leaves and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and with the help of the cotton, start patting the paint color. Now with the help of the paintbrush, start making the tree out of it and the tree branches as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and then with the help of earbuds, start making the small dots all over it as it will look like the cherry blossoms. Now repeat the process all over it and then make some small dots all over it and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and fold it very nicely in a linear way and then attach some tape to it and attach it all together and then attach it on the sheet as it is shown in the video. Now start making the small lines all over it and it will look like an umbrella. Now draw some little drops of water and it's done. It is looking cute though. For the next one, take a sheet and paste it nicely. Now start making the cute little or the grumpy faces all over the sheets as it is shown in the video. Make it very nice. You can draw anything you want and at any shape. Now repeat the process and it's almost done. For this one, take a sheet and paste it nicely. Now color it. Take the white colored paint and start painting the branches out of it. Now take the brown color paint and start making the oval shapes on the top of it. Repeat the process on whole. Now take the small paint brushes and start making small circular prints all over it and then draw the grasses and it's all done. For the next one, take a marker and start making the fish out of it. Now draw the eyes with the help of the green and red color. Now draw as it is shown in the video with the different colors as it will look like this. Repeat the process very nicely and color it very nicely. Now make the tail out of it with the help of the yellow colored markers and then with the blue. Now draw the lines and it's done. For this one, take the different shades of blue and the red. Now start blending it all together as it is shown in the video, and then blend it very nicely so that it will start looking like this. Now take a small circular cardboard or the sheet, and then take these sheets as it is shown in the video and start painting it with the help of the paintbrush. Paint it all over it and then draw some borders out of it as it is shown in the video. It will look like this. Now repeat the process on whole sheet and it's done. Thanks for watching.